let's make some Cynful Texas Bar-B-Que Chicken. We're going to start out by putting our rub all over the chicken on both sides. Take it out to the grill, plop it right on that grill, get a little bit of grill marks on it. Close the grill down, then we're going to flip them over. We're going to baste them with all that wonderful barbecue sauce. Get it all over. Flip them back over to the original side. We're going to baste that original side with barbecue sauce too. These are thin, so they're going to cook quick. So we get it down to 165 degrees Fahrenheit internal temperature and they're done. Bring them inside. Put that barbecue sauce over them one more time. And there you have it. Cynful Texas Bar-B-Que Chicken. Here's your recipe. I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and y'all have a wonderful evening.